Do you know that understanding English conditionals can really boost your fluency and confidence? Stick around as we break down the 4 types of conditionals and show you how to use them in everyday conversations. Hey there, welcome back to SAH English Insights. If you're looking to get a better grip on English grammar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a key concept, the 4 conditionals. Mastering these will give your English skills a serious upgrade. Let's jump right in. 1. Zero conditional. What it is? The zero conditional is used to talk about universal truths, scientific facts, or things that are always true when certain conditions are met. It's about situations that hold true in the present or future. Structure. If plus presents simple, plus presents simple. When to use it? Use the zero conditional for things that are always true or habits. Examples. If you heat water to 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. If it rains, the ground gets wet. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. 2. First conditional. What it is? The first conditional talks about real or likely events in the future that will happen if a specific condition is met. Structure. If plus presents simple, plus will plus base verb. When to use it? This is used when you're talking about realistic situations that could happen in the future. Examples. If it rains tomorrow, I'll take an umbrella. If I study hard, I'll pass the exam. If we leave now, we'll catch the train. 3. Second conditional. What it is? The second conditional refers to hypothetical or unlikely scenarios in the present or future, often imagining something unreal or impossible. Structure. If plus past simple, plus would plus base verb. When to use it? This is used when imagining improbable or impossible situations that could still be discussed hypothetically. Examples. If I had $1 million, I'd travel the world. If I were you, I'd take that job. If she knew the answer, she'd tell us. 4. Third conditional. What it is? The third conditional is used to reflect on past situations that didn't happen, typically expressing regret or imagining how things could have been different if the conditions had been met. Structure. If plus past perfect, plus would have plus past participle. When to use it? Use the third conditional when talking about what could have happened in the past if the conditions were different. Examples. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the flight. If I had known about the meeting, I would have prepared better. To wrap things up, today we covered the 4 conditionals: zero, first, second, and third. Each one serves a unique purpose, from stating facts to imagining unlikely situations and reflecting on past regrets. Mastering these will definitely help you sound more confident in English. Thanks for tuning in to SAH English Insights. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful grammar tips. Which conditional do you find most useful? Drop us a comment below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay with us for more grammar advice on SAH English Insights, helping you master English step by step.